In this video, we're exploring how you can make money on YouTube in the health niche, where we look at this one particular channel and break down how they're possibly making over $10,000 per month. And I'm going to do it in such a way that you can see how you can replicate that kind of success. And you've probably seen videos from this channel already. It's called Bestie. And they say that they post videos on health, love, hacks, and facts. But somehow I mostly see the videos about health-related stuff, and that's why I follow this channel. Especially for these types of videos, but I never seem to get started. Anyway, what I want to show you here is how much views this channel racks up. Over the past 30 days, the highest day was 305 views gained, which sums up to, over the past 30 days, 5 million views. What exactly are they doing with all of that views? And more importantly, how are they making money with those views? Through selling their own courses about getting healthy? Or what about affiliate marketing? Kinda. Believe it or not, but that $10,000 or more for the month is actually from YouTube ad revenue. And their estimates based on the amount of views that Bestie gets for the month gives them a monthly earnings of anywhere between $1,400 to $21,000 for the month. And well, that's really not that specific now, is it? And for that particular reason, we'll do some research ourselves in a little bit to get a closer estimate as to how much they're making per month. And it may be more than you think. But in the meantime, on a day like Wednesday, how do they have an estimated up to 1,000 earnings on that day? Well, that's because they've been having some over $250,000 days, or over $305,000 days. And well, they're probably thinking it's because each video gets over 250,000 views. If you check over the last few videos, none of them really gets past 20,000 views. There are the occasional ones that do. And there could be several reasons for this, but two that you really need to think about at this time is this. If you notice, there's a blue number next to each of these videos, and VP8 actually stands for views per hour. It's how much views that each of those videos get every hour. Even though it's not the most recent videos, they still get views every hour, and those views add up every day. There is a little bit more to it than that. They're not posting once, twice, or 3 times per week. Not even once per day. Posting multiple times per day. And I don't know how long this has started. 27 minutes ago, 12 hours ago, 21 hours ago, that's like 3 in one day. 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago. And this must have started recently because I'm only seeing 43 videos over the past 30 days. So I'm guessing that multiple postings per day would have certainly helped to boost the amount of views that they've been getting. I do have a link in the description below where you can start using those tools for free, so feel free to check that out. Now, this is an established channel. It has a lot of subscribers. And based on what I've seen so far and my experience, the principle remains the same. To get more views, you just have to post more often. And to get views on videos that you didn't just post today, you would have to try ranking on search. And both of the tools that I mentioned with the link in the description can help you to do that. Now, there's something else that Bestie does to get views on their video. And since YouTube ad revenue is their main means of income, more views means more money. Let's look at this video that they posted just yesterday, 8 foods you should never eat raw. That has 10,000 views already. And according to the vidIQ tool, there are tags here that are already ranking in the top 10 results in the search engine on YouTube. But more importantly, let's look at the description here. You know how a lot of people would recommend a product, an affiliate product, or perhaps a link to a website where somebody can purchase something? That's not what they do. What they do in almost every video is recommend another video on their channel. And let's say somebody clicks on that video, after looking at that other video, of course, and then maybe after looking at this video, they go into the description, and what do you know? Bestie's recommending 2 other videos that they should look at. And if that wasn't enough, these links are not just links to other videos, but they're links to other videos in a playlist. So they're making it even more convenient for you to look at more of their videos. I think this is a really good strategy because what this is a massive increase in Bestie's session time. And what session time means is the total amount of time that someone spends on YouTube after watching your video. And it's one metric that YouTube cares a lot about. So the more interlinking of these videos here and over here in the playlist means more session time. And all of these views means more watch time, which is the total amount of time people have spent watching your video on YouTube. And the more watch time, the more time they watch, that means the more ads they would see. And I think it goes without saying for Bestie that the more ads that people see while looking at Bestie's videos is the more money that Bestie makes. Yeah. Now, is this estimate even correct? And I'm saying it's probably not, because what Social Blade does is user CPM from anywhere from $1 for every 1,000 views to $4 for every 1,000 views. But I'm saying that it might be actually higher than this because based on some quick research on high-earning YouTube niches, health and fitness shows up in some of the top results, whereby this person broke down a healthy cooking-related channel with similar views can make about $14,000 a month on average. Over on GetFans.io had a really helpful article on the top 10 YouTube niches, whereby health and fitness was one of those niches. It took 3 of the channels, one with low views making $666 per month, and then there's Fitness Blender with approximately $15,000 for the month. And why I'm drawing reference to this one is because over on Fitness Blender, their last 30 days are 4 million views. Very similar to Bestie's views, except Bestie has 5 million views. But I think that's enough solid evidence on how a YouTube channel like Bestie is making over $10,000 for the month. And if you were new YouTube channels just starting out, and were trying to replicate similar success, of course you're not going to get all of that subscribers and that amount of views overnight, but you sure can put yourself in a really good position if you try ranking your videos in search, making really good videos like they do, linking to different playlists and videos in your description, and of course posting as much as you could. Posting good videos, that is. And if you wanted to start a channel like that and start making videos similar to Bestie, then you're going to want to check out this video next, where I actually look at topics, video ideas that you can use that can help you rank as a brand new channel. I then go into how you can come up with the script for those videos, as well as create the video almost automatically. So check that out next.